Stop your inactive Google account from being deleted. Here's how it can be done. It's unlikely that you haven't used your Google account in a while, but if it is indeed the case, or if you have a secondary account that you don't check often, be aware that Google will delete it on December 1, 2023, which is only a few days away at this point. Yes, Google is going to start erasing inactive Google accounts along with all the data associated with them. Photos, Gmail contacts, drive storage, and so on. The important part here is that your account is considered inactive if you haven't used it in at least 2 years. So if you've logged in recently, you're all good. If you have an inactive account, you can do one of the following things to make your Google account active again. Number 1, read or send an email from your Google account. Number 2, you can use Google Drive to upload or download content. Number 3, watch a video on YouTube from the same account. That's actually easy. Number 4, share a photo via Google Photos. Number 5, download an app from the Play Store with your registered Google account. Number 6, upload a YouTube video. So why is Google erasing inactive accounts? Google, in a policy change document from May this year, stated that it has invested in technology and tools to protect our users from security threats such as spam, phishing scams, and account hijacking. But that if an account has not been used for a long period of time, it may become compromised. Google further added this is because forgotten or unattended accounts often rely on old or reused passwords that may have been compromised, haven't had two-factor authentication set up, and received fewer security checks by the user. Our internal analysis shows abandoned accounts are at least 10% less likely than active accounts to have two-step verification set up. To be clear, this policy change only applies to personal Google accounts set up by educational institutions, and official business accounts will not be deleted. Additionally, accounts with YouTube videos uploaded will not be affected. So if you have an inactive account, go follow the steps and protect your account from being deleted. That was all in the video. Thanks for watching.